Oh shoot, I thought I was done with showers. I've got another one to do right here. Well, time to get busy. Now here's a little tip for you. When you get ready to seal right up against the edge, you don't want to run your paintbrush like this because you're going to miss. If you miss or part of your brush goes over, it could touch your wall. So what I like to do is run it sideways. I get a little bit of the sealer off, and now I can run my paintbrush sideways like that. See? That way, if it sticks over, it's sticking over that way, not ka-clunk. You know, boop, 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 oops. See there? Run it sideways. And you'll find it's much easier and quicker. No fuss, no muss. Don't get too much on your edge, and now just push it. You're just pushing it right down the edge. See there? There it is. Okay, push it down like that. Presto. When you're painting around a soap dish or ceiling, you know, I like to grab my paintbrush and do this whole thing down like this at an angle. Okay? Just like that. Now down here at an angle. That way when I run my roller, I don't have to kind of get up in there. I can just go like that. Easy breezy. Ha ha ha. Last but not least, look at this. It's all loose. Tighten that up and do it right. Yo, here's another tip for you. Yes, this video is all about tips when you're sealing your floor. See that? There's the shower head, and if you think yours doesn't drip, well, just to be on the safe side, put a plastic bag around it after you clean your shower out and scrub it and get ready to seal, because the next day you don't want your floor to be wet when you get ready to seal, okay? So I just leave that up there. Whether or not I think that drips or not, it's a good insurance policy. Now this is behind the door. What I like to do here is just cut it in, and I bring it out about this far, all the way, so I don't get it too close to the door, you know, after I have the door open. I can just use my paintbrush with that and cut it in, and then go back, kind of look and see how far on your tiles it is. There. Beautiful. See, now it's all ready for the roller there. Because I'm working in this little room, I don't have to work all the way out of the room. I can just keep going, ring around the rosy all the way through here. And I like to keep about 8 or 9 inches around here, so it's all ready for the roller, okay? And you'll get good at cutting in once you start using your paintbrush for a while. You know, I'm almost done with this room. Just a little bit more to do, and then I'm in with the roller. Okie I used to use just a 3-inch, but the 4-inch is the way to go.